New Perplexity Computer update is insane. GPT 5.4 plus Gemini 3.1 Pro. You have been wasting hours jumping between AI tools, copy-pasting the same question into ChatGPT, then Claude, then Gemini, hoping one of them gets it right. That stops today because Perplexity just shipped something that changes how you use AI entirely. And if you are not using it yet, you are leaving a serious amount of time on the table. Hey, I am Ava. I am an AI educator, and I help people actually learn and use AI tools in their work, not just talk about them, use them. Today, we are breaking down the biggest Perplexity update to drop in 2026 so far. We are covering what Model Council is, how the new model updates change things, what the skills feature does, and how to turn all of this on yourself right now. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to see AI orchestration in a completely new way. So let us start with Model Council. Every AI model has blind spots. GPT 5.4 is brilliant at structured reasoning and coding. Claude Opus 4.6 is exceptional at long-form analysis and careful thinking. Gemini 3.1 Pro is a powerhouse for multimodal tasks, but no single model is perfect at everything, and the real problem is this. When you use just one model, you do not know when it is wrong. It sounds confident either way. That is how hallucinations slip through and cost you time. Model Council fixes that. You type your question once. Perplexity sends it simultaneously to GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Each model generates its own independent answer. Then a synthesizer model reviews all three outputs, finds where they agree, flags where they disagree, and gives you one clear structured response with a confidence signal baked in. When all three models converge, you move fast. When they disagree, that is your signal to dig deeper before acting. And honestly, that disagreement is the most valuable part. It tells you the answer is more complex than it looks. Perplexity's approach here is deliberately model agnostic. They are not pushing one AI company over another. The goal is to take the best parts of every frontier model available and put it into one answer for you. When I first started figuring out how to actually implement AI tools in my workflow, not just play with them, it was overwhelming. Too many tools, too many updates, and no clear signal on what actually worked versus what was hype. That is when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Here is what this looks like in practice. Say you want to stress test an idea. You prompt Model Council with something like, "Here is my plan. Identify the 3 weakest assumptions and show me how each model challenges them." You get 3 independent perspectives synthesized into one answer, with clear signals on where the models agree and where they push back differently. Or you are fact-checking something important. Instead of trusting one model, you have 3 independent systems corroborating or challenging the claim. That is a completely different level of verification, and it saves you the time of manually cross-referencing across multiple tools yourself. Model Council is available right now for Perplexity Max subscribers on web, with mobile support coming soon. Now let me cover the model updates themselves, because the jump here matters. GPT 5.4 is now inside Perplexity for Pro and Max subscribers. Gemini 3.1 Pro is live too, with notable improvements for agentic tasks and multimodal work compared to Gemini 3.0. Claude 4.6 is available across Perplexity, and if you are on Max, Comet, which is Perplexity's agent, is now powered by Claude Opus 4.6 by default. Perplexity also shipped a GPT 5.3 Codex subagent built specifically for coding workflows inside Perplexity Computer. This is not just adding new models to a dropdown. Perplexity is building a routing layer where you get the best available model for each specific task, all in one place. Skills are reusable capabilities inside Perplexity Computer. You teach it how to handle a task once, and it remembers forever. So if you have a specific format you always want your research delivered in, a set of steps you follow every time you do competitor analysis, or a writing structure you use for reports. You create a custom skill for it. From that point on, Perplexity Computer applies it automatically whenever it is relevant. You build the workflow once. It runs every time without you having to think about it again. And then there is voice mode inside Perplexity Computer, which is now live. Instead of typing everything out, you can just talk, describe a project, give feedback mid-task, redirect it on the fly. For long, complex workflows where you are going back and forth a lot, this cuts friction significantly. We are moving from choosing one AI model and hoping it is the right one to orchestration. AI systems running in parallel, checking each other, synthesizing the best answer, and showing you exactly how confident the result is. Perplexity is one of the first platforms making this accessible without needing to build it yourself. Here is how to turn it on. You need a Perplexity Max subscription for Model Council. Once you are in, open Perplexity on web and find the model selector. Choose Model Council. Type your question as normal, and Perplexity handles the rest. When results come back, you will see the synthesized answer plus a structured breakdown of where models aligned and where they diverged. For skills, go into Perplexity Computer settings and find the Skills section. Create a new skill by describing the workflow or format you want it to follow. Give it a clear name. From there, Perplexity applies it automatically on relevant tasks without you having to ask. Think about what this actually means for your daily workflow. Before this, getting a reliable answer on something complex meant opening 3 different tabs, running the same prompt 3 times, comparing outputs yourself, and trying to figure out which one to trust. That whole process could eat up 20 to 30 minutes on a single question. Model Council compresses that into one step. You ask once, you get the synthesized result, and you can see exactly where the confidence is high and where it is not. That is a real measurable change in how fast you can move. And this is only going to get better. Perplexity has hinted at giving users more granular control over which models participate in Model Council, and the ability to plug in domain-specific engines down the line. So right now, you are learning a workflow that is only going to become more powerful over time. The people who get familiar with orchestration now are going to have a serious head start when those controls open up. That is why it is worth understanding how this works today, not 6 months from now. If you want to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What is working? What is not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, standard operating procedures, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I put out AI tool breakdowns like this every week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next.